For this project you will need the elastic lace, any stretchable fabric you have at home. I'm going to use 4-way stretch polyester, some soft lining fabric for the gusset. You also will need to have the threads, which are matching your elastic and the fabric. The elastic for the straps, the picot elastic, the rings and the sliders. Mine are 10 mm, the same as the elastic. Some needles to pin the fabric. The scissors. The lighter. The piece of chalk to outline the pattern. And the pattern. If you have yours, you can use yours, but for those of you who doesn't, I'll attach the link with it in the description box below. Grab the pattern and place it on the scallops edge. Outline everything with the chalk and after cut it off. Take the lace element and place it on top of the fabric exactly the same way like you see me doing here. After, grab the lace gusset and face to face place it on top of the front element. Grab the lining fabric and place it with the right side up this way. Pin it with the needles. After, open the gusset, then grab the back element and place it here. Take the lining fabric and place it on top of the back element exactly the same way like I'm doing here. Now go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here and here. Turn the fabric on the right side. Grab the scissors and cut off the threads. After, eliminate the leftover of the threads with the lighter. Take the picot elastic and sew it on here, here, and here. Place the elastic on top of the fabric face to each other. And yes, elastic has the right side and the wrong one, so basically you need to place the elastic right side to the right side. And after, sew it here. When you start to sew, you don't stretch the fabric, you stretch a little bit only the elastic. Fold the elastic this way, and now sew one more time here with the settings you can see on the screen. Guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Do the same with the back element. Do exactly the same here. In this place here, keep the free space of the elastic, I'll say around 2-3 centimeters. Check your elastic everywhere, and if you see some fabric is coming out, then grab your scissors and trim this place, but make sure do not cut the elastic. This is what I meant by saying keep a free space of the elastic. Do the same on the other side. Grab the straps, and how to make these straps you can find on the tutorial number 7. Place the elastic inside of the ring exactly the same way like I'm doing here. Pin it with the needle. Do the same with the other strap. Turn the panties on the wrong side and fold it exactly the same way like I'm doing here. Then pin the straps in the back the same way like you did in front. Now go to your sewing machine and sew everywhere where you have the needles. Make sure when you start to sew that there is no any metal object under your needle. Grab the lighter and eliminate the leftover of the threads. Cut off all the leftover of the elastic you have. Grab the lighter and eliminate the leftover of the threads and the fluffiness of the elastic. Do the same on the other side.